Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to clear sticker search history in Snapchat. Go to the Snapchat app from your apps list. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. Then tap on Settings from the top right corner. Scroll down and find the option Clear Sticker Searches. Tap on this. A confirmation menu will open. Tap on Clear. That's it. Your sticker search history are cleared. So that is how you can clear sticker search history in Snapchat. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.